Yo, carpet cleaning training with Dre again, back with you with another video. Yo. What's going on, man? It's Friday, man. Your boy Dre here. Hey, man, I got some issues, man. Yesterday, I was doing a clean, and my damn jets, excuse my language, my jets wasn't working. I had like 2 jets that wasn't working. All right? Basically, I got a wand, that's a 4-jet wand. Check it out. So what do? Sometimes you could use like a little staple and basically, you know what I'm saying, try to clean it out. Or they got this product called descaler. This is what you need right here. All right, descaler, foaming acid reaction cleaner that foams away dirt, grime, and corrosion. All right, so this is what you need. So generally, you just take them off and you put them in like, you know, a little container like this. All right, and the acid basically eats the dirt. So like right now, before I couldn't really see right through it. So what you do, you just hit it like that. And I can see right now, I can see right through it. I don't know if you can see it. We'll see if the iPhone is any good when we load it up.
I see it.
You can see? You can see right through?
Yeah, right through. You see
What?
Catch that perfect spot.
I see it.
Really?
I see it right there. Yeah, I swear.
Oh snap. So that's what we had before. It was clogged up. All right, so I already got 2 out. I gotta take another one out. But yeah, this is a really good product because it actually, you know what I'm saying, eats away the dirt in there, man. Yeah, the hard water buildup. And I mean, you got a screen in your tank that filters out the water, but you know, there's so much dirt you can't catch everything. So sometimes it still comes through the line. And when it comes through the line, it's gonna clog up your wand. So every so often you gotta clean them, man, because there ain't nothing more worse than you got 4 jets and only 2 work. That's not cool. That's not cool at all, man. So yeah, guys, this is just another tip. You know what I mean? If you're out there, you're working with products, I mean with machinery, where you need jets cleaned, yeah, that's what you need right there, man. So yo, have a good day, peace and love. We out here doing the work. If you need carpet cleaning, Express Carpets, man. Number is 866-546-6612. All right, Express Carpets. We do deep cleaning, dyeing, patches, water damage, tile cleaning, and ear ducts. All right? So yes, family, we're about to test it out, see if we even got them even clear. Sometimes it look like it's clear, but then, you know, you put it on and it's not clear. So let's see. That's what you want to see here. Bam, there you have it, people. Peace, guys. We out.